Exercise is indeed good for our overall health. Regular physical activity has numerous benefits for both our physical and mental well-being. Here are some of the ways exercise contributes to our health. 1. Weight management. Engaging in regular exercise helps to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight or promote weight loss. 2. Stronger muscles and bones. Exercise helps to strengthen and tone our muscles, enhancing our physical strength and endurance. It also promotes the development of denser and stronger bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 3. Improved cardiovascular health. Physical activity, such as aerobic exercises or cardio workouts, strengthens the heart and improves blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. 4. Enhanced respiratory function. Regular exercise helps to improve lung capacity, making breathing more efficient and reducing the risk of respiratory illnesses. 5. Increased energy levels. Engaging in physical activity boosts energy levels, as it improves blood flow, oxygen delivery, and releases endorphins that energize the body. 6. Better mental health. Exercise promotes the release of endorphins, which act as natural mood elevators and stress reducers. Regular physical activity has been linked to reduced symptoms of depression, anxiety, and improved overall mental well-being. 7. Improved sleep quality. Regular exercise can assist in falling asleep faster and experiencing deeper, more restful sleep, leading to better overall sleep quality. 8. Enhanced brain function. Exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, focus, and concentration. It can also reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 9. Increased longevity. Research suggests that those who exercise regularly tend to live longer and have a lower risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, stroke, and certain types of cancer. 10. Social benefits. Engaging in exercise activities can provide opportunities for social interaction, which can reduce feelings of isolation and improve overall well-being. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program to ensure it is appropriate for your individual health and fitness level.